Welcome to Learn English Fast and Fun. In this lesson, learn how to grow a simple idea into a fluent expression. Using real-life sentence pairs, will guide you from A1 to A2 and build your voice, rhythm, and confidence. They are busy. They are busy. They are busy with schoolwork. They are busy with schoolwork. I like tea. I like tea. I like hot tea in the evening. I like hot tea in the evening. I eat fish. I eat fish. I eat fish on Monday. I eat fish on Monday. I am cold. I am cold. I feel cold this morning. I feel cold this morning. She sings well. She sings well. She sings well in the morning. She sings well in the morning. We are ready. We are ready. We are ready to start the lesson. We are ready to start the lesson. I am hungry. I am hungry. I'm hungry because I didn't eat lunch. I'm hungry because I didn't eat lunch. We are late. We are late. We are late for the meeting. We are late for the meeting. I go to school. I go to school. I go to school every morning. I go to school every morning. I eat rice. I eat rice. I eat rice every evening. I eat rice every evening. I am tired. I am tired. I'm tired because I worked today. I'm tired because I worked today. She is happy. She is happy. She feels happy with her new dress. She feels happy with her new dress. He is my friend. He is my friend. He's my best friend from school. He's my best friend from school. I like music. I like music. I like listening to music at night. I like listening to music at night. I have a phone. I have a phone. I have a new phone from my brother. I have a new phone from my brother. I drink water. I drink water. I drink cold water after lunch. I drink cold water after lunch. She reads a book. She reads a book. She reads a book before bed. She reads a book before bed. I live in Paris. I live in Paris. I live in Paris with my family. I live in Paris with my family. I walk home. I walk home. I walk home. When the sun goes down. I walk home. When the sun goes down. I see the cat. I see the cat. I see the cat near the gate. I see the cat near the gate. I write my name. I write my name. I write my name on the paper. I write my name on the paper. They sit down. They sit down. They sit down after the teacher comes in. They sit down after the teacher comes in. He is tall. He is tall. He is very tall and strong. He is very tall and strong. We are here. We are here. We are here for the meeting. We are here for the meeting. I have a notebook. I have a notebook. I have a notebook in my bag. I have a notebook in my bag. She is my mother. She is my mother. She is my mother, and she is very kind. She is my mother, and she is very kind. He is angry. He is angry. He is angry because he lost his phone. He is angry because he lost his phone. I am ready. I am ready. I am ready to start the lesson. I am ready to start the lesson. I see a bird. I see a bird. I see a bird in the tree. I see a bird in the tree. She cooks pizza. She cooks pizza. She cooks pizza for lunch. She cooks pizza for lunch. They sit here. They sit here. They sit here every morning. They sit here every morning. I take a taxi. I take a taxi. I take a taxi to the market. I take a taxi to the market. I sleep early. I sleep early. I sleep early on weekdays. I sleep early on weekdays. She walks fast. She walks fast. She walks fast to catch the bus. She walks fast to catch the bus. We eat together. We eat together. We eat dinner together every night. We eat dinner together every night. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I wash my hands before eating. I wash my hands before eating. I open the door. I open the door. I open the door for my sister. I open the door for my sister.